Hey everyone, today we'll be feeding my Rainforest scorpions, Cape Chester, and my Rosada nuda species Centipede. Hope you enjoyed the video. Okay guys, today we'll be feeding two of my Cape Chester Rainforest scorpions, or Homera species Cape Chester. Let's see if we can feed this one first, and then we'll try and feed that one. So, I'll try and grab the mealworm, if I can get it. Don't you dare try and escape. Don't escape. No. Gonna eat. Gonna eat. No. We'll try this one. He's going for it. He got it. Good job. Nice one. I'll try the other one again. Yep. Let's see if he goes for it. No. I'm gonna get him out quickly. Move, please. That's okay. We at least got one. He's eating right now. The other's not eating, but that's okay. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here we have a Rosada nuda species centipede eating a mealworm that I just put in. See it wrestling it? Pretty cool, hey? I didn't think it would eat, but I just chucked it in there and see what would happen. Look at that. Pretty cool. Look at it, it's kind of wrestling it like a little wrestling match, hey? Pretty cool. Well, hope you enjoyed that short video. Hope you enjoyed that video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you. Have an awesome day.